Hi ladies and gentlemen, here are your vocab words for The Adventures of Alibaba Bernstein. Our first word this week is policy. A policy is a kind of rule or way of doing things. The school has a strict policy that students must go to class on time. Mrs. Lundy has a policy about talking while she's talking. She doesn't like it. Our next word is curious. When someone is curious, he or she wants to know about something in particular. The little girl is curious about what is in the box. What's something you are curious about? Our next word is temporary. Temporary describes something that does not last for a long time. The road work is temporary. If you break your arm, you get a cast, and it is only temporary. Our next word is ranged. Ranged means spanned between two things. The food choices ranged from pizza to spaghetti. Ranged is a word that you could use to describe ages of a group. If there were little kids and older kids, you might say, like at Meadowvale, the students range from kindergarten to 5th grade. Our next word is several. Several means more than one or two. There are several crayons in the box. There are several puppies with this dog in the picture. And our last word this week is frequently. Frequently means often. I have to ask students to be quiet frequently. Students frequently bring water bottles to class so they can stay hydrated. Those are your vocabulary words for this week. Please make sure you have them written down in your notebook, and you may continue on to your vocabulary slides.